Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can list multiple items in one listing. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to open your eBay account, okay, on your laptop. This works on like Windows or Mac or whatever. The method that I am going to show you guys will work on the phone if you are if you can like change to desktop view. Like you can just go to settings and you can change from mobile view to desktop view, so that you can do this on your phone. That's if you are using your phone. But now let's see how we can list multiple variations or multiple items in one listing. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on sell in the top right. You can see here sell on your store. Okay, so after, guys, you click on sell, as you can see here, this is it. It's going to take you guys to this. Okay, now you will see this blue button that says create listing. You want to click on it. It's going to take you guys directly, guys, to this page where you can enter here the title of your listings. Okay, so you can come up with a title, but in my case I'm just going to find a random product. Okay, let's just assume that I want to for example, let's say I want to sell different colors of this jewelry here. As you can see, different length, as you can see, different like colors, sizes. Now that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just copy the title and then paste it here. Like I said, you just need to come up with the title of your product and then click search. Okay, so after, guys, you click on search, you want to click here. It says here select the condition of your item. You want to select new with tags. By the way, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. And then click continue to listing. Okay, so after, guys, you click on continue to listing, you just need to scroll down, and here you want to add the pictures of your product here, as you can see. Now if you scroll down, you will be able to see this one that says here variations. Variations means you can list multiple items in one listing, multiple colors, multiple sizes, multiple models. You can just do that. Okay, if you cannot see this one, that means you haven't enabled it. So you just need to click here, these three little dots here in the top right, and then you want to click on settings. And after that, guys, you want to enable variations, as you can see here. Now you just need to enable it here, and then you will be able to see variations section here. Now after that, you want to click on edit, and here you will be able to remove the already, as you can see, the metal, the color. If you have a product with the color, you can just leave it. If you don't have a product with the color, you can just remove it by clicking this X button here. Okay, this is not really hard. It's very easy, like I said, to list multiple items in the same listing. Now I'm going to remove this metal here because I don't have anything with metal. Now here the color, I'm just going to remove it, and I'm going to start from scratch. Attributes, like if you have a product with different colors, you can just click on add and then select here add your own, or you can just find here, for example, color. If you cannot find it here, you can click your own, add your own attribute, and then you can add, for example, color, size, whatever. Okay, so after that, you want to click on save. Now we have, for example, a product with different colors. Now I'm going to sell beige and black, blue, brown, clear, gold. Okay, now you can also add, for example, color and sizes. For example, I'm going to select here size. Now as you can see here, the color, we have the product with different 6 colors. The size, I'm going to sell a product with XL and M and, for example, L. Okay, and then click add. Now after that, you want to click on continue. Now as you can see, the colors, we have 6, as you can see, and the size, we have 3 sizes. Okay, so now what you guys need to do is you want to enter the price for each listing, each size, each color. Now as you can see here, guys, how much you want to sell the beige, the XL size, I'm going to sell it for the same price. All these will be sold for the same price. So in this case, you just need to select everything here and then select enter price, and then I'm going to enter here $20. Now as you can see, we have entered $20 for all the different variations, different sizes, different colors, like I said. Now if you want to also add a specific photo for each color, each listing, each whatever, okay, now if you click here on default, use default photos, you can click on color, and now as you can see the beige color, you can just add a photo so that when the buyer selects beige, they can then see the beige color in the photos automatically. Okay, so you can just click on upload from computer and then add, for example, beige color, and then click on black, and then you can add the black color, the blue, as you can see. After you add all the colors, then you want to click on save and close, and you can just list the product. Of course, you want to add the description of your item, then click list it now, and that's it. Like the same price, it's going to be listed for free, as you can see. Just click on list it, and that's exactly, guys, how you can list multiple variations or multiple listing in one item. Hopefully, guys, this one helped you. If it does, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Like I said, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next tutorial.